What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get results like this. And the best part of this is it's going to cost you nothing, $0. I know you guys love this. Absolutely no money on this method, and you don't need a website, so you don't need any of those technical skills. And I'm going to show you how you can do this method step by step and make money online. But you must stay to the end because I have a secret for you that's going to show you how to make even more money with this method. So make sure you stay to the end, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get into it and I'll show you how to make money online. All right, guys, welcome back to this juicy method. In this method, you're going to learn how to make the money with no website. It's completely free to do, and it's literally a copy and paste method. I'm going to show you how to copy and paste so you can make money online with this method. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually going out and promoting these big payment programs. This is called affiliate marketing. We go out and we get a commission for this from promoting these particular products. And I found a special product that you can make over $400 per day with. And all you need is literally one sale to make that $400 per day. So what I've done is I've hand selected the perfect product for this method where you can make an average sale of $463 every time someone purchases this specific product. So what are the steps? Let's go through this step by step from start to finish. So step number one is we need to go to a website where we can find a product to promote. I'm going to show you the product. Now, in this particular case, we want to target health products. So you can use Clickbank, which we're going to be using in this video, or you can use a platform called Market Health Affiliate Network that also has health products that you can go and promote. So what we do is we get a commission for these. We go and recommend these products and we get a commission in return. It can be 50%, 70%. The one we're going to be promoting is 50%. So the first step is you want to go to clickbank.com and you want to go to create an account, and you simply want to go through the steps of creating an account. It's very simple to do. You just put in the basic information you usually would when you start an account on any website. Now, this is the best website for this method, Clickbank, because I did find the best product, although you can use other websites to do this as well. Now, once you sign up to Clickbank, you want to log in and you'll be taken to a dashboard like this. Make sure you click the marketplace, and this is the dashboard. We're going to go and handpick the product that I found for you that can make over $400 per day. So if we scroll down, guys, and we click on the health and fitness niche, okay? And then we go to the top here and we want to sort by average sale. So these are the highest paying programs. Now, the reason we want to go off the highest paying ones is because it takes a lot less work. We don't need a lot of volume to make money. So we're going to scroll down, guys, and we're going to go to the fat burning soap recipes. And we're just going to have a look here, and I'm going to show you what this product is about. So this is a health product, a fat burning product, very nice page here, and people can purchase this and we can make money. And if we go here, we just click on promote and we get our link. So all we got to do is click promote, generate link, and we will get a link that we can promote. But how do you actually go and make the money? We need to get traffic. And I have found the perfect free traffic solution for you that is perfect for the health and recipe niche. It is literally the best place online to get targeted traffic for this particular product. And that place, guys, is Pinterest. It absolutely blows up when it comes to health. If we look at this pin right here, 6,000 saves. If we look at this pin right here, 4,000 saves. Now, the reason Pinterest is such a big place to get health traffic is simple. The demographic for Pinterest is mainly women interested in health, and recipes are huge on Pinterest. They blow up big time and they can go super viral and you can make a lot of money. Now, if we look at this one here, you'll see that they have a link that goes to a website. So we can actually utilize this, and I'm going to show you an awesome trick at the end of this video, so make sure you stay so you can make more money from this. It's a very good trick, but it goes to a website. So let me kind of explain to you and show you how this works and show you what you can do, okay? So this product is about recipes, simple recipe product. It's a diet product and it's about, I guess, just recipes. So 370 mouth-watering dishes. So what we can do is we can actually create a pin based on recipes. So these ones are based on kind of like lemon tips. We've got all of these other ones down here, fitness tips, This one here that we got before, this is the lemon one. Oh, and then the other one and this one here actually that I found, 30-day sugar detox, cleanse your body from sugar, help you lose weight with a body of a skeleton. That is literally it. Insanely easy to do. But how do you create these for free? And how do you go and make these look beautiful? Now, I'm actually going to show you that, guys. But before we get into that, I just want to kind of explain how Pinterest works. It's a search engine. It's one of the biggest search engines online, and people are consistently searching things. So that's why it's a great place to get your product to make a commission. So the first thing you want to do is sign up to an account at canva.com, okay? Canva.com. This is a free website that we can use to create Pinterest graphics. So I'm going to go down to Pinterest graphics here, and there sometimes might be templates that you can use. So if I scroll down, we've got best ever cookie recipes. We have do-it-yourself purple wedding decorations. We have all sorts of stuff, but if I go up to here and put in recipes, I bet you I could find something. So what I've done, guys, is I've found some recipe templates, and I'm going to edit them in a second and show you how to do that and show you how simple it is to do. So I'm actually just going to find one here, one that I kind of like, this one here. So I like this one, which is recipes, healthy salads, visit this website. And as you can see, it's imported and it's ready, and I can edit this, okay? Now, I'm actually going to edit this and leave these images here, but if you want to look for images that you can use without getting in trouble with copyrights and anything like that, simply go to Google and put in royalty-free images. And you can go to websites like this one, which is unsplash.com, and just put in health food, and there's all of these images that you could use for free as an overlay on your template here, okay? Now, I do want to mention that the kind of image you do is going to depend on the product, right? So this is a fat-burning recipe product. So it makes sense for me to do a pin based on recipes. It just makes sense. Otherwise, it wouldn't be congruent, and it wouldn't work, and it just wouldn't work, right? So these guys obviously have a detox product here. So that's why they have the sugar-free detox or whatever that is, okay? So now what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go back here, and it's got 370 mouth-watering dishes. So I'm just going to change this here and I'll come back and I'll show you what I've done. All right, guys, so what I've done is a simple edit. I literally went in and put 370 insane dishes to lose weight. That's all I changed because this template is ready to go. It's already got royalty-free images. It's literally ready for me to go. I can start to go and post this and make money. And there's so many templates you can use. So there's no excuse to go and do this, guys. And this works really, really well. So once you've actually done this and you've created a kind of nice looking template, you want to go up to here, guys, and just download it, okay? So I'm going to download it. Don't put it straight to Pinterest just yet. Just download this image, okay? Nice and simple. Now, the next thing is you want to make sure you have a Pinterest account, okay? Make sure you actually have one going, and you want to go into the Pinterest account, and now we want to actually post this pin. So you just click on the little thing up here, and then go create a pin. Now, this is the most important part. We need to optimize it for search terms, kind of like Google and YouTube if you're going to upload stuff to those platforms. So what I would do is something like this. Let me kind of fill this out and I'll explain to you what I've done. All right, guys, so what I've done is I've optimized this pin, and I'm going to go and post this pin. So I put 370 amazing weight loss recipes. So I put weight loss in the title because that's a keyword people will be searching. And then down here, are you looking to lose weight? So lose weight is another keyword. Maybe you want to know how to lose weight. So how to lose weight is another one that people will be searching. We're optimizing with keywords that people are most likely going to be searching online. Once you've done this, the description and the title, you want to simply upload your image. Now, I've uploaded the image by clicking on it, and now it's right there. Now, the last thing we want to do is we want to put in our affiliate link. So we go back to the website and we go to promote, and we copy this, or we go generate hop links and we copy this link. Now, I do want to mention, guys, is that a lot of people say, oh, you can't put affiliate links on Pinterest and stuff like that. Yes, you can. You just can't shorten the links or redirect them. They need to be the raw link. You are allowed to put affiliate links on Pinterest. It says so in their policy. The thing that they don't allow is link redirects or link shortens. And then I'm going to just put this in here, okay? And you can't see it, but it's there. And then all I need to do is go publish immediately and hit publish, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm just going to put it into one of my other ones, just because I don't have a health one up right now. And this has now been published, right? This pin is completely live and people can now find it on Pinterest. Now, obviously, you are going to have to do more than one because you're not just going to go and post one and make $400 a day every single day. There is a little bit more to it, but I did promise you something that will help you make more money. So what you want to do is you want to go and do this, but there's something else that you can go and use, and this is called tailwind.com. Now, this would cost you a little bit of money, but they do have a free trial. And what this does is you can actually go and find all of the popular pins on Pinterest, and you can schedule them on your Pinterest account with this software, and you can edit them and put in your own links. And it literally just scales this stuff. It just takes it to the next level, and you can just make so much more money by doing it. And it just scales and scales and scales it to the next level. It's completely automated and all of that sort of stuff. And I'm not going to put any links to this, any affiliate links. I'm generally just recommending this program because it's really, really good. And you can have what we call a smart loop that drives traffic by resharing your best content. So what it does is it's real smart. It's really, really smart, and it'll find your best content and it will keep sharing that over and over again. So you spread your links out all through Pinterest and you start to make a lot of money. Now, if you want to learn more about Clickbank and how you can make bigger commissions and more money with this particular platform, I have a training. I will leave a link below and you can check out this training. It takes you through exactly how to start your own Clickbank affiliate marketing business online. We have 4 pages just on Clickbank. If we go back, we have heaps of modules showing you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. And if you want some more training on affiliate marketing, guys, I will leave some videos up on the screen, a video and a playlist that will take you through step by step how to make money online with affiliate marketing step by step. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, smash that like button, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.